O1 only. Now we will check. Now we will check. We have to make here 0 at this place. Second column, this place. This place we need to make 0. So we will check in old table what number is there. Minus 1 by 2 is here. So if in N2 we will multiply by 1 by 2 and we add this equation in O1, we will get 0 only. So N1 we will calculate from O1 only, and in N2 if we multiply by 1 by 2, because minus sign is there, so we are adding, and 1 by 2 we are multiplying in this equation, so we will get 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. So O1 plus 1 by 2, and O1 we have minus 1 by 2. So at O1 here, in O1 we have minus 1 by 2, and in N2 we are multiplying by 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. So both are cancelled. We will get here 0. So our equation is N1 is equal to O1 plus half N2. So by this equation we will calculate this N1 row. I am writing directly here after calculation. You can do your calculation. 12 by 5. Here 1. Here we were making 0. And here minus 2 by 5 we will get. Here 1 by 5 we will get after calculation. Now our next step is we will calculate Zj minus Cj by same formula, Zj minus Cj. So Zj minus Cj is the same formula. I am telling you directly. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2 into 0 is 0 and minus Cj. So Cj for first column is 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0 you will get. Now here 0, same way 0 minus 4 by 5 and here 7 by 5 you will get. 3 into 1 0 plus 2 into 0 0 and minus Cj is minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. For second column 3 into 0 is 0 plus 2 into 1 is 2, and for second column Cj value is 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Similarly we have all these values. Now we have one negative element in this rows, Zj minus Cj. So again we need to make simplex table. We will make simplex table until unless we don't get all positive values of Zj minus Cj. So again we have one negative value, and the most negative entering value is entering vector. So we will find out entering vector. So we have only one negative value, so this is entering vector. So after calculating entering vector, we will find out outgoing vector. Outgoing vector formula is minimum bj upon entering vector. But as we have one negative value in this table, so we have only one option. So outgoing vector will be from here 1 by 5 from x3 column in second row. So in our new simplex table, now entering vector would be this x3, and we will replace this x2 by x3 because we are getting outgoing vector from this row. So this row we will remove and we will write in place of x2 x3 because we are getting entering vector from x3. So let's start. So I am just rubbing this only because format is same and coefficients also same. This also will remove, change. Equation also will be changed. Now these coefficients also will be changed. Here x1 was there, so it will be same x1. but in place of x2 we will write x3 because we are getting our entering vector from x3. So I will write here x3. Now we will write coefficient of x3. x3 coefficient you can check. x3 coefficient is 0. You can check from maximization z equation. So x3 coefficient is 0. Now we will fill this table. What is our next step? The outgoing vector, the place. Here we need to make 1 and upper and lower side we will make 0. So we will make here 1. So we can see here 1 by 5 is here. So if we multiply this whole row by 5, we will get 1 here at this place. 1 by 5 is here. So if we multiply this whole row by 5 number, we will get 1 is here. Let's do. I am writing again. Writing from my notebook. You can do your calculation. I am writing directly. 5 we are multiplying, so we will get here 14 after multiplying 5. 0 and here 5. Here we were trying to make 1, so we have 1 here and here 2. Now we will make n1. We have n2 and we will make now n1. This is O1 and O2 for this simplex table. So n1, as you know, n1 we will calculate from O1 only and n2 we will calculate from O2 only. So n1 we will calculate from O1 only. Then we will check here at this place in the old table O1. What number is there? Minus 2 by 5. So what we can do, we will multiply, and here at this place 1 is here. So what we can do, we will multiply 2 by 5 in n2 and we will add, because minus is there, so we will add. So by this equation we will get 0 here. O1 at this place is minus 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5. n2 at this place is 1. So minus 2 by 5 and plus 2 by 5 we are getting 0 at this place. So by this equation we will get our new table and one row. Let's do. You calculate yourself by this calculation, by this equation. I am writing directly 8, 1, 2, 0 and 1. So we have a new simplex table. Now next we will calculate Zj minus Cj. Method is same. Zj minus Cj. For first column Zj value is 3 into 1, 3 plus 0 into 0, 0 and minus Cj. Cj is for first column is 3. So 3 minus 3, 0. 0. So by this formula you will write directly here. Here also 3 into 2, 6 plus 0 into 5, how much? 0. And minus Cj means minus 2. So we will get here 4. And here 0 and here 3. So you can see here, I am telling you this Zj minus Cj. Here and 3 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 1, 0 and minus Cj. Cj is for third column is 0, so 0. 3 into 1, 3 plus 0 into 2, 0 and minus Cj. Cj is for fourth column is 0, so 3 minus 0 is 3. Now we can see we have all positive values of Zj minus Cj. So we will get our solution from this table only. Because J minus Cj should be greater than equals to 0. So in this row we have all positive values of Zj minus Cj. How we will calculate our solution? We will check variables. x1 and x3 are here, and what we were trying to calculate, we were trying to find out the value of x1 and x2. So x1 variable is here and x1 value is 8. But we can see x2 variable is not in the table, so we will take x2 as 0. Now we will put these two variables in this equation. Maximize z. Maximize z is equal to 3, x1 value is 8 and plus 2 and x2 is 0. So we are getting 24. This is our maximum profit. I hope this video is helpful to you guys, and in my next video we will do more problems of simplex method, some variations I will tell you. So be safe at home. Thank you so much. Bye bye.